So, make a platter with me because I'm bored. I already got the 2 chocolate cakes out because those are harder to get out. Then, look at here and realize there's nothing in there. Because that's what I do all the time. Then we just have this. It's small wine, so it's just really sweet in general. I don't know what else to do, so that's all I have. I mean, like ice cream, but that's it. That's all I know. And I feel like I should have just grabbed some sugar so I can have, like, I don't know, just like make some sugar, like something. I do not know. I guess I'll just melt some sugar and then plop them in. Or maybe I'll just grab some grapes and have them. I'll figure something out. This has a bunch of sprinkles in it. But that's fun because it's sweet and it's frosting. What is this? Oh yes, my chocolate pie cake thing. That's good. Also check out Dead Moth. I'm gonna pin. First time pinning, so it might not work, but it's a really pretty moth. And hopefully it's not bad or poisonous, which I don't think it is because I've touched it multiple times and I have not gotten sick, but still. Now we got cookies and cream. So we got that. So we got a little bit of that. You know, I might just make a small one, but I do not know. I mean, this could work in a way, I guess. Like mash it up and then we have like, okay, that would be cool. And this is what I had. Sick. Got it. So yeah, let's just do that and mash it up. I don't need that, but I'm gonna keep it just in case. And since I don't have a camera to film, because I'm using my phone, which means I can't actually stop the video. Yes, this is gross, but I don't care because I'm eating it and nobody else is. I will wash my hands with this. Are you sure this water is sanitary? No, it is not sanitary, but we can cook with it. We just cannot use water. We can't just use and drink water because that has stuff that will make you sick in it. Basically, we can, that's it. And boil stuff, that's it. Oh, and by the way, if you complain about the loud noises, you can't make me, you can't cancel me because I put a warning on it, on this video. Well, I mean, I will, and I know I will, but like, still, you get my point. Fuck. May I shut up? So originally I was gonna do a Prada, but now I'm just gonna do whatever this is. I'm gonna just kind of mash stuff up, and then mash stuff that's chocolate, like mash chocolate stuff up. I was gonna use vanilla no matter what, but we don't have vanilla. So, oh, actually, this could probably be good. I mean, so now we actually can use it. So we can put those and then throw those out. And I'm gonna set my phone down, which means you are gonna review the ceiling. I am breaking these. You can't tell because I cannot film and do that, but I am breaking it. And if you are wondering, I am home alone. My mom did not approve of this, but as long as I don't make a mess, I shall be okay. And I'm really short, and I only have this, and well, actually, never mind. I don't know why I was about to say that. It doesn't even make sense. It's about to crack a really bad joke that I found on the internet, and it was like a dad joke, but like it was not even a dad joke because it was so bad. Cause like dad jokes are cringy, but that was just bad. But I'm gonna say it anyways. It was why I forgot. Okay, I am very forgetful. And now I'm just gonna eat this last one because I don't know what to do with because it's way too full. As you can see, I got it. I probably should have unwrapped them and put them in the microwave to melt them, but nope. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna put this in right now. I'm just gonna bring it over. Okay. Now I got this. I am gonna have to use a real knife, which I'll also put a warning for, but anyways. Skip. You can't really skip to the time point because I don't really know what the time point is gonna be, and I can't edit it. So, sorry about that. I'm seeing it cutting and I just can't really cut it. I picked it up and put it in here. And I picked up this piece and I eat it. Good, as you can see. I have absolutely no idea what the brand is, but if I knew it, I would recommend it. Because it is really good. And you should know all the other ones, because it's Kinder and Hostess. And if you don't know what Hostess is, you definitely live under a rock. And Kinder, on the other hand, Kinder eggs, you may or may not, I feel like you still live under a rock, but less. What I'm going to do is open this up. Oh yeah, I forgot I had put those crackers in there. Anyways, toss that. Toss that. Grab a spoon. And a spoon would do as long as it's small enough. I grab this one. I'm just gonna put this down for a second. I got a bunch of frosting. Now all you have to do is, so if you can't understand, I don't know why I started talking like that, but I did, so. It's fine, I do not need a spoon for this. That probably was a little too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna mix that, and you will stay over here looking at the salmon. So this will probably be like a long bit, and I can't really edit it. It's a thing. So sorry about that. Actually, story time! I cannot drive yet, so this is actually me in the front seat because there was a baby. So basically, we were grabbing McDonald's because I was hungry, obviously. That came out way more aggressive than I intended it to, but I was hungry, and then, so my mom obviously got us something. But then, whoever was doing it was like, so, it was like, you only have what? We only have chocolate. Wait, if you just spoke up, we wouldn't have this problem, and you wouldn't have to yell. And fast forward, we don't need to go through all that because I don't really remember it because it was the other day. But my mom doesn't complain at all. But she did this time because they were mumbling and they were rude. So I hope so. The person's manager, so the person who gave us the food did not have a headset on, so it wasn't them. But that is it, and they told the manager too, which I like. sweep that up. Oh crap, this is not the, okay. Well then. I am not the smartest, apparently. Anyways. I just have to wash my hands real quick. Okay, now we have that. And I honestly thought this video was going to be a lot shorter, but it wasn't. I was expecting it to be only like, I don't know, 10 minutes max, but nope. It's probably going to be 20, because it's 16 right now. It's 16 minutes right now. Let's just grab a full spoon, like this. And then let's scoop this. You know how to scoop ice cream, y'all. Just gotta go like so. You don't need me to show you. So should I put whipped cream on this? Yes or no? Comment down. You can't. I won't. You can't. I can't tell you. I don't know what you say. So if you want to comment, you can comment. But I'll read it. But I won't be able to use it. So I'm gonna put whipped cream on half of it, and half of it not. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put everything away. Okay. You know, I probably should have said some talk during that, but if you tuned out, say, that was my fault technically. We got that. We got it all cleaned up. Other than that, now we gotta find the whip. of the whipped cream because that's all the way in the back. Oh, the other one is all the way in the bag too. Okay, let's just use the Hannaford brand thing and close this up because we don't want it to go bad. I don't think that can actually work. Don't think that's how they go bad, but okay. But I think y'all know what I meant. Okay. Okay. There is gonna be a loud noise. Plus, there's definitely this. Yeah, so basically that's it. It's don't know if it's good or not, and I'm not gonna try. And I'll probably post a short about it. Might not. But what I will say is I think it will be good because it looks good. So, see y'all. It's 22 minutes. And it's 22 minutes and 10 seconds. See ya.